how to hide a particular chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can hide any chat in your Microsoft Teams account. So if you wish to hide any chat, you can simply follow these easy steps. First, launch your Microsoft Teams application and then within the chat section, find that particular chat that you wish to be hidden. So for example, I want to hide this chat of this guy. So I'm gonna simply move my cursor or hover it around this particular chat, and then I can see these three dots with the option that says more options. So click onto this more options button and it will open a new set of menu, and from this menu you can choose the second last option, that is hide. And once I click onto hide option, you can see that they have been successfully hidden. Now the part comes on how we can unhide this particular chat. So in order to unhide that particular chat, there is no configurations that you can do from here. What you will need to do is simply search for that particular person that you had hidden and now you wish to unhide. So let me simply type in their name, and then once I find them, gonna simply click onto them, and you can see that their chat again appeared here. But if I will click onto something other, the chat will be again hidden. So to prevent that, let me click on more options again, and from here I have this unhide option. So click on unhide and now you can see that the chat is static and it is not going to hide again until and unless I choose it to hide it again. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.